In high school, you could get by with a notebook and a good memory. But stepping into a university operating under Education 5.0 means producing heavy, data-driven research. Those old habits will quickly bury you under physical paper. I'm here to act as your digital literacy coach. My job is to guide you through the technical expectations your professors assume you already know. By the end of this guide, you will know how to guarantee you never lose a file again, how to force your computer to format your table of contents automatically, and how to legally bypass expensive academic paywalls. Mastering this specific set of technical skills is the dividing line between struggling to keep your head above water and actively conducting professional research. Step 1 is securing your work. Saving a major assignment exclusively to a physical USB flash drive is a disaster waiting to happen. They get lost, they snap in your backpack, and they corrupt without warning. Looking at this mock-up, the left side is what anxiety looks like. The right side is your new mandatory baseline, cloud storage, like Google Drive or OneDrive. When saved here, work is instantly backed up. Notice the file names. We replace chaotic drafts with a strict convention: surname, course code, and year. With your files secure, you have to prepare for the physical reality of academic writing. A final year dissertation is often 10,000 words. If you are hunting and pecking at the keyboard, you will burn out. Building touch typing stamina is a physical requirement for this workload. Lock in this strict digital hygiene and physical typing stamina in your first semester, and you eliminate the risk of late-night data loss and physical exhaustion down the road. Now that your workspace is secure, we need to gather sources. Typing your essay topic into a standard search engine will not yield the peer-reviewed, university-grade material your lecturers demand. In this photograph, you can see the historical baseline of research, students manually hunting through physical index cards. Today, your university uses an online public access catalog, or OPAC, like Koha, to locate specific physical books by their ISBN and exact subject heading. But physical books are only half the battle. When searching for digital journals online, you will inevitably hit this screen, an article locked behind a $40 paywall. This diagram shows the exact workaround. By routing your connection through your university's institutional login portal, your web traffic is authenticated. You bypass the paywall entirely and unlock premium databases like Research for Life and Zulk. Your enrollment quietly provides you with tens of thousands of dollars in premium digital access. Those student login credentials are the most valuable research tools you own. Let's talk about writing. Manually adjusting the font, size, and spacing for every single header in a 50-page dissertation wastes hours and guarantees formatting errors. Instead, use the Styles ribbon in Microsoft Word. Watch as this messy text instantly snaps into perfect alignment. By defining your rules once, the software handles the document's architecture for you. This diagram maps out why that matters. When you tag text as heading 1 or heading 2, Word's engine reads tags and instantly generates a clickable, self-updating table of contents. Move a section on page 40 and the table updates on page 2 automatically. You apply that same automation to your citations by using a reference manager like Mendeley or Zotero. They store your sources and generate perfect bibliographies in whatever format your department requires. Relying on document automation removes the tedious mechanics of formatting from your brain. That leaves all your cognitive energy for actual academic analysis. Look at this photo of a census worker penumphing an outdoor interview. It illustrates the real logistical friction of fieldwork attachments. Historically, university social work students have struggled with lost data and slow progress when using these manual methods. The core point of failure happens when you record raw data on physical paper in the field and then try to manually transcribe it into a computer hours or days later. The solution is entering data directly through mobile data capture apps like Open Data Kit or directly into a spreadsheet on your smartphone while you are still on site. Typing the responses straight into a digital format eliminates transcription errors completely. It also means your data is ready for analysis the second you hit submit. To meet the standards of Education 5.0, capturing data digitally at its original source is a strict requirement for maintaining research speed and integrity. We've covered a lot of ground today. Get your device ready to take a screenshot of this next frame. Here is your visual checklist for the digital toolkit. Pillar 1, Automated Styles Formatting. Pillar 2, a dedicated reference manager. Pillar 3, cloud storage. And Pillar 4, standard file naming. At PodNotes, we rely on these exact workflows to process massive amounts of complex academic information and distill it down into the professional study materials you use every day. Looking at these confident graduates, you are seeing the end result of doing the work early. Log into your university portal today, claim your cloud storage allocation, and subscribe to our channel for more guides on navigating your academic career. Building this digital infrastructure now takes you from a passive student to a highly capable researcher.